So you think your family's wealth is safe? Without the right legal strategies, everything you've built can vanish within a generation. So here's how to stop that from happening. Let me tell you about Lisa. She's a successful executive in Georgia with a substantial portfolio and a deep desire to leave a lasting legacy for her children and grandchildren. Now, Lisa thought her assets were secure until her son faced a lawsuit that threatened to drain a significant portion of the family's wealth. And that's when she realized that building wealth is one thing and protecting it across generations is another. You know, a lot of high-earning professionals believe that having a will is enough to protect their assets. But in Georgia, a will alone won't shield your estate from probate, creditors, or even being misused by heirs. Now, probate court can drag on for months, sometimes even years, and it's all public record. So that means anyone, including potential creditors or opportunistic ex-spouses, can take a shot at what you leave behind. If your wealth isn't structured the right way, it could slowly get chipped away, leaving far less for your family than you intended. So this is where trusts come in. If you're serious about protecting your family's financial future, you need to understand how trusts work, and I'm going to help you. In Georgia, an irrevocable trust is one of the strongest tools for protecting your assets. When you place assets into an irrevocable trust, guess what? Those assets are no longer legally yours. Crazy as it sounds, they actually belong to the trust. And that means that they're protected from lawsuits, creditors, even some types of taxes. But make sure you speak with a tax professional. You can still control how the money is used, who gets it, and when. So my client Lisa used this strategy and was able to safeguard her investments and ensure that her grandchildren wouldn't one day be picking up the pieces of a depleted inheritance. For families with substantial assets like real estate, investment portfolios, investment accounts, or even family-run businesses, setting up a family limited partnership can offer both control and protection. An FLP groups family assets into a single legal entity. You stay in control as the general partner of the entity, while your children or other heirs come in as limited partners. So in Georgia, this setup helps reduce estate taxes, offers strong protection from lawsuits, and makes transferring wealth easier and more organized. It also helps ensure that younger generations don't blow through their inheritance because decisions are made collectively under defined rules. Now, if your goal is to keep wealth in the family for generations to come, something called a Dynasty Trust could be the solution for you. Unlike traditional trusts that end after a few decades, Dynasty Trusts can last for up to 360 years in Georgia. That is long enough to impact not just your kids, but your great-great-grandchildren, and guess what? Theirs too. These trusts are designed to pass down wealth without resetting estate taxes every generation. So, my client, Lisa, she chose this route to protect a large part of her estate from being taxed or contested, ensuring that her family tree would grow strong, not just financially, but with a real sense of legacy and continuity. So we deal with these types of issues all the time. If you're thinking about how to protect your assets and ensure your family's financial future, reach out to us. We're happy to talk with you, walk you through the right steps for your situation. Hey, thanks for watching. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, and turn on the alerts so that you'll know when we post new videos. And join us for insights on divorce, custody, and protecting yourself financially, legally, and emotionally. Share the videos and leave comments and ask us questions. Also, join our Facebook group, Georgia Divorce and Custody, and I'll see you on the next video.